Imagine stepping outside on a quiet night. You look up and see not one moon, but two. Two glowing orbs dancing across the sky, one brighter, one smaller, casting double shadows on the ground. Would nights be brighter? Would tides go wild? Or could Earth even survive this cosmic balance? This is not just science fiction. Let's explore what would really happen if our planet had two moons. Our single moon is more powerful than it seems. It controls the tides, stabilizes Earth's tilt, and even influences our climate. But what if we added a second moon, orbiting at a safe distance? The first thing that would happen is chaos in the skies. Gravity from two moons would pull Earth in different directions. Ocean tides could rise higher in some places and vanish in others. Cities near coastlines might experience extreme tidal waves every month. With two moons, our nights would never be the same. The sky would glow brighter, casting double shadows. Romantic moonlit nights would become almost as bright as early dawn. And if the moons ever crossed paths in the sky, imagine the sight. A celestial dance witnessed by billions, but also a gravitational struggle happening above our heads. Each moon would pull on Earth and on each other. Over time, their orbits could become unstable. They might collide, or one might drift away. If the smaller moon crashed into the larger one, debris could rain down on Earth. We could witness rings like Saturn, a beautiful but deadly sky of rock and dust. But gravity wouldn't be the only thing affected. Tides would grow stronger, possibly flooding coasts more often. Marine life depending on calm tides would face extinction. Even the length of our days could change. With more gravitational forces pulling Earth, its rotation might slow, making our days slightly longer and nights colder. From space, Earth would look spectacular. Two moons glowing, one golden, one silver. It would be the most beautiful planet in our solar system. But beauty often comes with danger. Balancing two moons would be like juggling with cosmic fire. A small gravitational nudge could send one moon crashing down, ending life as we know it. So, what if Earth had two moons? It would be a world of wonder, but also of chaos. Tides would roar, nights would glow, and our fragile balance of life might never be the same. It's fascinating how one simple moon keeps our world steady, a silent guardian in the night sky. If you enjoyed exploring this what-if world, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Menia, where imagination meets science. Because the universe is full of mysteries, and we're just getting started.